Every project starts with selecting a correct template. This is usually the first step. So when I select New, I have to choose a template file. Now on the list I see only 2 for multidiscipline, but if I click Browse, I can access a folder with multiple options. For example, for plumbing, residential, structural systems, etc. There is also a division between imperial units like inches, feet, etc. and English metric. You can also access templates from different countries like Korea, Japan, Italy, Germany, and many other. I would like to work on metric units, so I go to English and select default metric.rte. This extension stands for Revit template. I click Open and click OK. If at any point you see a file with such extension, don't open it through double click. If you start a project like that, it may actually disrupt your process and cause some errors. So the only correct method of opening a new file at a true template is New Project, and then you can look for the template that you have. Many companies have their own template already made, but if not, it's a good idea to start with something that is relatively clean, like the template that I just chose. So inside the template we can see the levels, some predefined views, simple families. So for example, if I go to window, I have 3 families already loaded. So it's very, very basic. But of course, as you develop your own standards, there will be many other settings included, like materials, styles of objects, line weights, line styles, and other stuff that are part of the professional architectural documentation. If you want to save a file, go to File, Save, Project, and search for the correct path. I have already a shortcut on my list, and if you want to add yours, which is a good idea, when you finally navigate through the Windows catalogs, go to Tools and select Add Current Folder to Places. For example, if I'm here, I click, and then this folder appears on my list, so it's very easy for me to access later on. I will remove it, go back here, and name the project. You can see that now the extension of my file is changing to RVT, which is basically standard Revit project file. If you are curious what's inside other templates, nothing stops you from selecting New Project and checking what's inside. For example, residential. Maybe this template speaks to you more at this point. We can also check what's inside other countries' templates. So we can go maybe to Germany, and we have something for architects here. Yes, so you can see that, for example, the structure of the project browser might be different. We can also have some schedules, some families, and some sheets as well already predefined. But as I said, I prefer the template that I choose, which is default metric, because it's the cleanest, and it would be much easier for you to handle without being overwhelmed by the massive amount of information.